It's a 2018 Toyota Highlander. It was built full lives and big plans ready. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Automatic transmission, front heated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, auto-dimming rearview mirror, dual zone climate control, in-tune, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, power liftgate, and V6 engine. Kelley Blue Book highlights that you'll find easy-to-use controls, including knobs for the main radio functions and for the climate controls below them. A huge center console can hold 58 standard-sized juice boxes, perfect for keeping anybody seated in the comfortable second row or kids-only third row adequately hydrated. Toyota, steered by ingenuity, driven by passion. Experience it for yourself today.
The Nye Automotive Group has been the premier dealership in Oneida for vehicle sales and service for over 40 years. We are conveniently located on Route 5 in Oneida.